We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the kxry Blue Purple 3D Galaxy Comforter Set in queen size. This bedding set features a striking outer space, starry sky universe design with vibrant blue and purple hues, crafted to appeal especially to girls, teens, and kids who love a cosmic theme. The set includes one comforter measuring 90 by 90 inches and two pillowcases sized 20 by 30 inches, making it a complete package for a queen bed. The material used is microfiber, which is noted for its durability and softness, often considered sturdier than cotton. This microfiber fabric is designed to keep users comfortable, cozy, and snug throughout the night, and the comforter is lightweight with an oval stitch quilt that prevents the fill from shifting or clumping. Users appreciate the softness and the all-season usability of this comforter set. Many reviews highlight that the comforter is not too heavy, making it suitable for year-round use. The alternative fill provides warmth without excessive bulk, which is ideal for those who want a cozy but not overly thick bedding option. The vibrant 3D Galaxy print is frequently praised for its visual appeal, with many stating that the colors are bright and true to the product images online. This makes it a popular choice for decorating bedrooms, kids' rooms, guest rooms, dorms, or even vacation holidays with a modern space theme. On the downside, some users have noted that the comforter feels thinner and lighter than expected, which might not satisfy those looking for a very warm or heavy comforter for colder climates. There are also reports of inconsistencies in size and print alignment. A few customers mentioned that the queen-size comforter runs smaller than standard queen sizes, and some king-size versions barely fit their beds, especially if the mattress is thick. Additionally, a small number of buyers have experienced issues with the print being off-center or the colors not matching exactly, which affects the overall aesthetic when placed on the bed. Quality perceptions vary among users. While many find the fabric quality good and the comforter warm enough, some feel that the material has a somewhat cheap texture despite the attractive look. This could be due to the microfiber fabric, which, although soft and durable, may not have the same premium feel as higher-end cotton or silk blends. The care instructions recommend machine or hand washing, which adds convenience for maintenance. The packaging includes the comforter and two pillowcases, both matching the Galaxy theme. This coordinated set is often seen as a great gift option for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions like Christmas and Valentine's Day, especially for children and teenagers who are fascinated by space and the universe. The set's design and color scheme make it a unique and thoughtful present that can brighten up any bedroom. In summary, the kxry Blue Purple 3D Galaxy Comforter set offers a visually stunning and cozy bedding solution with a durable microfiber construction. It is well suited for those seeking a lightweight comforter with a vibrant space-themed design. The set is versatile for all seasons and makes an excellent gift for kids and teens. However, potential buyers should be aware of possible size inconsistencies and the lighter weight of the comforter. If you have this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Overall, this bedding set stands out for its unique design and comfort, but may not meet expectations for those requiring a heavier or more premium feeling comforter.